Alana, some cities in Texas are going beyond just stay-at-home orders. What new restrictions are we seeing across the state?
Yeah, of course, they vary based on, local issues confronting these different communities. Say in Houston, the mayor there says they've entered into 3-month leases with a few hotels to be able to safely quarantine and house first responders, city workers, the homeless, to be, those who are more vulnerable and more exposed to getting the virus. Then you go along the border in Laredo, starting today, anybody entering a building that's not their home
Yeah.
needs to have their nose and mouth covered. Then in Weslaco, they were limiting anybody entering to 2 people just because they saw, people, entire families shopping for a single household and overwhelming several public places. So there's different ways they're tailoring it, but yeah, many are going beyond what the governor put in place this week.
There seems to be another issue when it comes to overwhelming response or the need. A number of people are reaching out to us saying they are not able to file for unemployment because they simply cannot get through. One person we spoke with said that she called Alana 800 times before
Oh
finally
my
being
God.
able to file. 800 times. Is that
Yeah.
typical? What are you seeing out there to help Texans?
Yeah, it is typical, or it was at least until the Workforce Commission could catch up with the influx of people calling. I mean, think about it. Normal day before all this was 13 to 20,000 calls in a day. Now, or right at the end of March 21st that week, it was up to 1.5 million calls in a 24-hour period. So they've repurposed a few hundred employees. They're doing a few hundred more. They're licensing or contracting with a call center to be able to have more live bodies. But even if you get through, some people are getting through only to find out that their claim is denied because, again, these are unprecedented times and the current parameters don't reflect the unique situation these people are dealing with.
You know, a lot of them are scrambling because it is, Alana, the first of the month, and that means that
Right.
bills are due. If you can't get through, then what can you do?
Yeah, exactly. And there are a lot of, different help out there as far as, people, rules in place statewide saying you can't evict somebody, you can't put them on the street, you can't cut off their power supply and things like that. So the state is trying to help people how they can, given, the times we're living in right now.
All right, Alana, thank you so much. We'll see you back here next week.
Thanks to Sally and Alana. Our focus remains on the coronavirus spread in Texas, primarily in our immediate area. But as we all know, the pandemic reaches far beyond local and state lines. The impact is steadily growing across the country. In fact, according to data collected by CNN, nearly 91% of Americans have been ordered to stay at home. That translates to about 299 million people nationwide. But as we go in depth, we can see just how much the spread of the virus continues to impact not just America, but the entire world. As just today, Johns Hopkins University has tallied more than 1 million coronavirus cases globally. In Russia, President Vladimir Putin has extended that country's paid non-working period to April 30th. The paid holiday period was previously scheduled to end this Friday. Our neighbors to the north in Canada have only seen a fraction of the number of positive COVID-19 cases that we've had here in our country. But this week, Canada has officially surpassed 10,000 cases countrywide. According to the CDC, that is 1/9 of the total cases in the state of New York alone. Across the ocean in the United Kingdom, specifically in the town of Milton Keynes, they have begun converting an ice rink into a makeshift morgue. The town's council says the Planet Ice Rink will go into full operation once their regular mortuary facilities reach capacity. And finally, in Thailand, the country's prime minister there announcing a nationwide curfew. Starting tomorrow, residents there will not be allowed to leave their homes between 10 at night and 4 in the morning. As of today, Thailand has reported nearly 2,000 confirmed cases of the coronavirus.